Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue where your hard drive keeps losing space on Windows 11. These are the fixes that helped the most people on Reddit. So let's get started. First, let's remove old Windows installation files. To do this, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select system, on right side you just need to select storage. Click on temporary files. And you just need to check mark previous Windows installation, and if you want to remove the recycle bin you can check mark it and then select the remove files option and select continue. For most people this freed up 20 to 40 GB instantly. Next we'll stop Windows from using too much space for restore points. Go to search menu and type create a restore point. Click on open it. Select the drive and select configure. You just need to lower the slider to 3 to 5 percentage, or if you want to delete the restore point select the delete option and select continue. uh, Select close. This stopped the space disappearing for a lots of users. In my case it has 10 GB space. You know, like the play and OK for changes. Just click on OK. Hibernation creates a huge file called hyperfill.sys. To remove it, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, select run as administrator and select yes option. And now copy this command and paste it in the cmd and press enter. This frees 4 to 12 GB immediately. Now let's clear the update cache. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to search Windows Update Service. Just double click on it. Select stop option. Now you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC in C drive. Double click on Windows and find software folder. Double click on the software distribution folder. Double click on downloads. Delete every files in here using click on the folder and press in Ctrl plus A to select all, and then right click and select delete option. Many Reddit users said this fixed random storage loss. Now just close stuff here and next just start the Windows Update service we stopped before and select apply and OK. Just close stuff here. Next you just need to turn off storage sense. Go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select system, on right side select storage and just turn off this storage sense. Some users reported that storage sense kept creating temp files. OneDrive sometimes duplicates local and cloud files. Just need to right click on the OneDrive icon and select the gear icon and select settings. Select sync and backup option and select manage backup. Turn off folders you doesn't want OneDrive to sync. This fixed the issue for many people. If your drive keep filling up, malware could be generating log or mining files. You just need to run Malwarebytes or ADW Cleaner. Both are free and lots of users found malwares was the real cause. So select the free download option and scan whole PC. Now press Windows key and R key together and type here temp and click on OK. Select any one of these file and press in Ctrl plus A to select all and then right click and select delete option. Select do this for all calendar items and select skip. And then just close up here. Again press Windows key and R key together and type here percentage temp percentage and click on OK. Select any one of these folder and press Ctrl plus A to select all and then right click and select delete option. Select do this for all current items and select skip. and this removes leftover junk and frees extra space. And that's it. Try these fixes one by one, and your hard drive should stop losing space on its own. If this video helped, make sure like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.